So you've clicked on this video because you know that Bitcoin is not going anywhere anytime soon, even though the market right now is really down. Now, you're probably looking for a way to invest in Bitcoin more automatically without having to log into your Binance account regularly. In this video, we're going to show you a way that you can do that by using the Auto Invest feature on Binance. The Auto Invest feature uses an investment method called dollar cost averaging, which is a method of investing that allows you to invest a certain amount of money every after a predetermined amount of time consistently, no matter where the market has swung, whether it's down or up. To use this tool, you need to log into your Binance account and then click on the Earn tab in the Binance dashboard in the menu bar, and there you select Auto Invest and be directed to a page where you'll be given two options. The first is you'll have the option to create a portfolio Auto Invest plan where you'll be able to diversify your crypto holdings. The second option you have is to create a plan with one cryptocurrency. Now we are going to opt for the second option because we want to show you how you can auto invest in Bitcoin over a long period of time. Now you'll need to choose a time frame you would like your auto invest plan to run, with the lowest number being 7 days and the highest number being 3 years. When you click create a plan, you'll need to input a subscription amount with either BUSD or USDT. So make sure that your spot wallet is funded with either of these cryptocurrencies, these stablecoins. The second thing you'll need to do is select a recurring cycle, which is how often you will invest in this auto invest plan. The third thing you will need to do is select the exact time you want the transaction to be repeated or to happen in your auto invest plan. Now you will have the option to use your flexible savings in case you don't have sufficient funds in your spot wallet. However, if you're familiar with the features on Binance, you know that the flexible savings account option can also earn you a bit of money, can allow your cryptocurrency to work for you on the platform. So we personally don't like to check that box. However, if you're not a person who's interested in using the flexible savings account to make your crypto work for you, then you can go ahead and select that option. After you've made your selections, agree to the Binance Auto Invest agreement and click confirm. Now, in order to see, edit or pause your plan, you'll need to go to the top of the Auto Invest page and select your particular plan from there and do what you need to do. One thing that you need to take note of is the fact that you need to have your spot wallet funded regularly. This depends on the plan that you choose. If you choose, say, to go with the monthly deposits, then maybe you want to do $50 per month. Putting $500 there should set you up for about 10 months, and you don't have to worry about it. If you're a busy investor, this method works because you get to put bulk in your account and you don't have to worry about coming back. You could set a reminder probably at the 8th month for you to come back and fund your spot wallet again, maybe with another $500, to keep that consistency with your auto invest plan. That's the one tip that we could give you to ensure that this plan works very well for you. Now, if the auto invest plan is a pretty big commitment for you, there are other ways on Binance where you can make your crypto work for you. And one of those ways is the flexible savings account as mentioned. Another one is the locked savings account. However, we have a whole playlist showing you these methods that are available on Binance, which you can click on the screen right now. Until next time.